Okay, I'm recording.
What's up, guys? We're watching the fireworks.
With my brother. Oh, there. Yeah!
There we go. Get both of them. It's America, baby! America!
Support, guys.
Ah, shit.
It's okay.
Hey, I think you also have a view where you can, like, see them from over there, too, maybe.
Yeah, there's the moon, guys.
Ah, there you go. Did you get that one?
Yeah, kinda.
Bet.
Well, slider, but sure.
Yeah, but you got it. Hey, subscribe to her channel.
And do Darian's, too.
Darian must be gaming. I have absolutely no videos or no shorts, but soon I will do gaming vids.
Bro, that light of that car threw me off. Here, I'm gonna do this way.
Well, then people have to ride the phone the other way. Oh!
There it went.
There we go.
Oh, I don't know how long I can record for.
Oh, that's the problem. But hey, we're just trying to get the best content.
Don't worry about the kids. Just ignore them. But
I like them whenever they like come up on the sky and then like, boom,
explode.
explode. You know how they're exploding? Because as soon as you get higher and higher, there's no gravity, so they have to wait to depart. Then boom, they explode everywhere.
Ooh, explode.
Guys, I am waving the flag.
Bro, what if I actually accidentally drop my phone?
Oh, damn.
That would be a problem.
Oh, that was a loud boom.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Oh, I don't want them to see my face, though. I'm not showing my face.
America, guys, it's America.
I can show yours.
Yeah, show my face. What's up, y'all? I'm just trying
Don't worry, guys. Just hang
to
on.
honor our country because we got our independence from Great Britain in 1776.
By the way, a quick reminder, thank you for all the support I'm getting. And thanks for Darian's support, too.
You have like 8,000 something subscribers, while me, on the other hand, I'm losing. I have like 629.
I think last time I checked, you had 630.
Well, I lost. Hey, get ready. It feels like it hasn't been that long ever since the last one.
Yeah, for real. Bro, I could have recorded the last one, but it just didn't work because I didn't have enough recording left.
Yeah.
Hope my friends on Roblox see this, too.
That sounds like rain, guys. Even though it's not even raining because I don't feel any drops.
No, there's not even drops on my camera.
How shiny that
It's not really shiny on the phone, but it's shiny in real life. Bright in real life.
And that shiny of a moon would help the Titanic.
Where are those coming from?
Coming from.
I'm waiting for the Grand Lake finale. Claremore Lake finale.
Yeah, it's Claremore Lake because I think like Grand Lake is like a therapist place.
Yeah. I get those.
People are going down there, so it must be right over there.
Yeah, look. I don't want to catch.
Is that person coming to us? Nope. Hey!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we go. That's it, right there. That's
I
it.
got two angles, actually.
Really?
Yeah, two.
That's it, right there.
Yeah, I got it on the perfect place.
I I'm trying to keep my flag out of the way. Now that is what we were looking at. That's what we're waiting on. Are you actually on 2 angles?
Yeah, 2 angles, 2 fireworks.
Ooh.
Sounds like a thunder.
Yes.
Stop, wait.
I'm trying to keep it out of the way.
I don't want to show any other people's faces because I don't want.
Oh, look at all that.
I don't show them without my.
I think you can only get on that angle now. I think those over there.
They're probably going to come up with some soon.
Oh, these look beautiful. Look at that one. That one was flying and then boom. They all boomed. Guys, thank you for all the support of her channel and my channel. Happy birthday, America! America. I think they're starting to get higher.
Cool.
I think this is the finale right here. That one was bright. Ooh, look at that pretty ring one.
Did that kid just cuss?
No. Ooh,
Oh yeah, sir.
They're getting brighter and brighter. Like, my eyes are locked on them.
Like actually locked, like.
Yeah, like they're not moving.
Ooh, the shower.
Do you love seeing fireworks on TV or in person better?
I think in person.
In person?
Yeah. Sorry, people are show offs sometimes.
Yeah.
We call them show offs, but I don't know why they do this.
They're trying to get girls.
I'm not interested.
I'm not either.
What if that was a man?
Oh, look at that inside of that. There was like green fireworks inside of that one. Look how beautiful they look, guys. Oh, I like that multicolored one. Whoa. Is my flag getting in the way? How's the recording?
7 minutes in.
Oh, look at that one. Like, all like...
Bro, my hand's hurting, kinda.
Do you want me to take over?
No, it's okay. They're not done yet.
Ooh. For some reason, it feels like it's an actual glitch. How like they like go into the sky and boom without the boom part. Oh, look at that one, so shiny.
Whoa. Hope you guys are seeing this because I am.
I'm having a smooth time.
Here, I'm gonna flip it. Hold on. I'm gonna flip it around. Yeah, now this is better.
I'm gonna
Actually.
try to get a picture of one of the fireworks and send it to Pearson.
Huh?
Nothing. Yeah, come on. Please shine for me. Are you?
There goes red ones. Sorry if my camera like ends at a certain point. It's because I don't really have that much storage. I hope I have enough storage to record this video. Is Mom even watching? Darian, is Mom even watching?
I have no.
I think it's over. Wait, no, it's still
we
going.
Still got some more. My favorite part is like when. Oh, now that is bright. I should have got that one.
Ooh, Christmas version.
Mhm. get a good angle.
Okay, I got the video kind of closer.
Yep.
Whoa, look at that one.
Oh, now that's a good one.
Did you get it?
Yes, I got that one.
I want to see it after this video.
I'm getting some good shots now. Then here comes another one.
Sorry if the video's kind of blurry for y'all.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, no, not done.
No, I think when they're done, it's the grand finale.
Oh, bruh.
Bro, how about we both don't drive in the front?
You mean ride?
Yeah. How about we both, because we could play Roblox again there.
Maybe.
Then after I'm done here, I think I want to go to bed.
Oh, that's a good one.
Woohoo!
That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah.
Bro, it's more funner seeing them in person, guys. Ooh, there we go. Perfect. Okay, I like this part. I think this should be the grand finale. I'm not sure. Nope, still going.
I wanna. I'm gonna send some. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to get a little video for you. Yeah, I wanna get a video.
Bro, I feel bad for that
Screw it.
plane.
No, I'm not.
I feel bad for that plane if a firework hit that plane.
That what?
That plane up there.
No, don't feel bad for him because he's way far ahead where I won't hit him. Right now, okay, I'm done taking pictures. I'm just gonna enjoy him. That's an airplane, anyway.
I said plane, I think.
Well, plane means like it's like one that can hold lots of people. That's an airplane that has like that. Yeah, now they're starting to come off over here.
Well, I want to watch the ones over here.
Well, you remember that one guy said you won't be able to see them from here?
Yeah, we can
Now
see
look.
them.
Oh, that one's separating apart.
It's like bacteria.
Ooh.
I have 14 recording in.
Nice. Yeah, guys, if the camera goes off, that means out of storage. Oh, we got some more over there. We got them everywhere.
There's some over there, guys.
This
I want to watch the ones over here.
the ones that have been going off the most.
Yeah. It's satisfying for the little pops. Like the explosions.
And that little boom.
Just like an airplane. It's not even over yet.
Don't care. Man, how much fireworks do they got?
A lot.
Oh, just imagine one of them came right at us.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
My phone will.
Oh, look at that big one.
If it did, I would caught that on camera.
Yeah. See, what is that airplane doing? It's going up and then going around.
Or is there like two of them?
Maybe there is two. I don't know. Or it could be just that one. Now look at the night sky. Oh, I love the bright ones. I love all of them. I wonder if our neighbor is doing